I feel like roasting a whole chicken is it's a new level of grown. Very easy to do though.
And I test the recipes of the internet so you don't have to. Today I'm making roast chicken with my bestie, Cassie.
Bed of veggies for the chicken to lay on top of. Some carrots, celery, whole head of garlic.
All right, let's make our bed. Carrots, celery, and garlic.
Beautiful candy onion. And I also got these red skin potatoes.
The candy onion sounds delicious, but I could not find where to get one. Red potatoes though.
Olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss that around.
Olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss that around. Toss that around. Toss that around.
Always make a compound butter, so we need some softened butter. She's been warming up.
She's been warming up. Pooh!
Rosemary and thyme. The stems I throw right into the roasting pan.
She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. Through 15 years of marriage, 2 kids, and a debilitating disease later, safe to say she loves me. Thank you, Jesus.
Nice chop. Add that in.
Safe to say I need to work on my knife skills. By the way, shout out to Cain and Abel for this beautiful handcrafted carbon steel knife.
Grate in some garlic. Wash the nails. Some lemon zest.
Grate in some garlic. Watch my nails. And some lemon zest.
Tony's on everything. Garlic powder, onion flakes, paprika, salt, and pepper. A little olive oil as well. Give that a good mix.
Here is all the things you said, going into that, except for Tony's. What the heck is that?
Glove up if you want to, because we're going to be all up in this girl's business.
I say if you're going up into anybody's business, it's a good rule just to glove up for safety. But I'm married.
Lift the skin up. There's going to be some membrane. Break it and then get all up in it.
I've got you under my skin.
The cavity as well.
And in my cavity.
Nice caressing. I want this done to me.
Personally, I don't want anyone up in my business with compound butter. Margarine, though.
Chop the lemon, the head of garlic we cut in half, some of the stems from the candy onion, rosemary, and thyme.
I deserve a pay rise.
Tie up the legs. Umbilical cord.
I have actually had the pleasure of cutting an umbilical cord. But I hope this one tastes better. Also, I forgot to buy string, so I'm using a stem of thyme. No idea if this is gonna work.
In she goes.
In she goes.
Buttered baddie is all done. Love her, leave her alone for 15 minutes.
All right, buttered baddie, I'm gonna love you and leave you.
First bite, bestie.
This is the first time you see Cassie's bestie actually taking the first bite. Anyway, this was delicious, you guys. Shout out to Cassie for helping me step up my roast chicken game. Follow for more internet recipes, taste, and K. Love you, bye.